Hello, welcome back to the channel. Don't forget, like this video and subscribe too. Today we are showing you the 2026 Toyota Hikecruze 6x6 motorhome. Be sure to tell us in the comments how you liked it.
The year 2026 brings a revolutionary marvel in the world of automotive engineering. The Toyota Hikecruze 6x6 motorhome, a breathtaking blend of adventure, technology, and pure luxury. It's not just a vehicle. It's a statement of innovation, freedom, and power on 6 wheels. Designed for those who dare to travel beyond limits, the Toyota Hikecruze redefines what a motorhome can be. Built for the bold, crafted for the luxurious, and engineered for the future, this 6x6 masterpiece captures the soul of off-road adventure with the comfort of a 5-star resort. The first glance at the 2026 Toyota Hikecruze 6x6 is enough to make anyone stop in awe. With its massive stance, aerodynamic silhouette, and ultra-modern LED lighting system, it looks like something born from a futuristic dream. The front grille showcases Toyota's new dynamic flow design, with deep chrome accents that merge perfectly into the muscular body lines. Every detail, from the 26-inch forged alloy wheels to the adaptive lighting strips that follow the vehicle's curves, screams precision craftsmanship. The 6-wheel setup gives the Hikecruze a dominating road presence, while offering unmatched traction and control across any terrain, whether it's desert dunes, icy mountain trails, or long stretches of American highways. Step closer, and you realize that this isn't just another off-road machine. It's a moving fortress of comfort. The Hikecruze's double-reinforced chassis is made from aerospace-grade aluminum and carbon composite panels, making it lightweight yet incredibly strong. The 6x6 drivetrain provides enhanced stability and balance, capable of climbing steep slopes, crossing muddy trails, and even powering through flooded areas. This is a motorhome designed for explorers who don't want to sacrifice comfort for adventure. Toyota engineers have equipped it with next-generation suspension and AI-controlled torque management, ensuring that each wheel adapts to terrain conditions in milliseconds. Inside, the 2026 Hikecruze 6x6 is where technology meets tranquility. The cabin opens with automatic butterfly doors that reveal a breathtaking interior finished in premium leather, brushed aluminum, and ambient lighting that changes with your mood. The main lounge feels like a luxury penthouse, featuring panoramic glass walls that can turn opaque with a single touch. There's a 75-inch 8K entertainment screen that rises from the console, integrated surround sound by JBL Signature Series, and smart climate zones that automatically adjust temperature for each occupant. The floor is finished with handcrafted bamboo tiles, while the ceiling integrates starlight LEDs that mimic real constellations. For those who love to cook or entertain, the Hikecruze 6x6 offers a fully equipped smart kitchen with retractable counters, a self-cleaning induction stove, voice-activated storage units, and a built-in coffee brewer that syncs with your phone preferences. Every appliance is powered by Toyota's new hydrogen electric hybrid system, which not only provides zero emissions, but also powers the entire living unit without any need for external hookups. The battery system recharges through solar panels embedded in the roof and side walls, giving you true independence on long trips. Sleeping arrangements are equally luxurious. The rear section houses a master suite with a king-size memory foam bed, 360-degree rotating windows, and a hidden retractable balcony for stargazing. The second-floor loft provides a private area for guests, complete with 2 single beds and personal entertainment screens. Even the bathroom feels futuristic, featuring touchless controls, a rainfall shower with temperature memory, and a mirror that doubles as a smart display for navigation and weather updates. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Toyota Hikecruze 6x6 is a true powerhouse. Under the hood lies Toyota's revolutionary Hydra-Twin 5.0L V8 hydrogen electric hybrid engine, capable of producing over 800 horsepower and 950 lb-ft of torque. Despite its enormous size, it accelerates from 0 to 60 mph in under 6 seconds, a figure that rivals some sports cars. The hybrid drivetrain allows it to switch seamlessly between hydrogen power for long journeys and full electric mode for eco-friendly city drives. With a range of over 1,200 miles on a single refuel, it's built for those who want to explore America without limits. Toyota's advanced AI system, known as TripX, acts as your personal co-pilot. It can plan routes, find campsites, manage battery levels, monitor tire pressure, and even suggest scenic detours. The entire motorhome can be controlled via a smartphone app or voice commands. Say Toyota, Prepare for night mode, and the lights dim, blinds close, temperature adjusts, and security systems activate. The Hikecruze is equipped with 360-degree cameras, drone-assisted navigation, and a smart projection system that displays a real-time 3D map on the windshield. Safety is another arena where the Hikecruze 6x6 leads the pack. The motorhome features Toyota Guardian 2.0, an advanced driver assistance suite that includes self-parking, adaptive terrain detection, obstacle avoidance, and a high-level autopilot mode for long highways. Even when driving off-road, the vehicle can maintain perfect balance using gyroscopic sensors and hydraulic stabilizers that adjust the suspension in real time. It's a blend of military-grade toughness and luxury-level precision. Beyond performance and design, Toyota focused on making the Hikecruze 6x6 sustainable. The vehicle's body panels are 80% recyclable, and its hydrogen fuel system emits nothing but water vapor. Solar cells on the roof can generate up to 12 kWh of power daily, enough to run the onboard systems indefinitely. The entire lighting system uses low-power LEDs that automatically adjust brightness according to ambient light, saving energy and extending range. From the outside, the 2026 Toyota Hikecruze 6x6 looks like a concept from a futuristic movie. Sleek curves, flowing body lines, and an aggressive yet elegant stance that dominates any landscape. The signature Toyota emblem glows softly in white at night, symbolizing purity, power, and performance. Its 6x6 configuration ensures that no terrain is too rough, no path too challenging. Whether it's a cross-country trip through the Rockies, a night in the Nevada desert, or a road trip along the Pacific coast, the Hikecruze 6x6 turns every journey into a luxurious adventure. When you enter the vehicle at night, ambient blue lighting welcomes you like a private jet. The dashboard comes alive with a 3D digital cockpit that displays everything from terrain analytics to power consumption in a holographic interface. The seats adjust automatically based on posture, and the built-in AI health monitor can even detect fatigue and suggest rest breaks. For social media creators and travelers, the Hikecruze includes a content mode that sets up lighting, sound, and the Toyota Hikecruze 6 isn't just for the wealthy, it's for visionaries. It represents the evolution of mobility, where luxury and sustainability coexist. Toyota envisions this vehicle as a bridge between home and horizon, where the road becomes your private kingdom. Every drive is a story, every destination a new beginning. This motorhome is proof that Toyota is not only keeping up with the future, it's driving it. The sound of the Hikecruze 6x6 is another masterpiece. Instead of a loud roar, it hums with a deep, refined tone that feels powerful yet peaceful. A reminder of how technology can be strong and silent at once. Even at high speeds, the cabin remains whisper quiet, thanks to its triple-layer acoustic insulation and floating body design. Passengers can enjoy smooth jazz or cinematic audio while the world outside rushes by in silence. Every aspect of the 2026 Toyota Hikecruze 6x6 speaks of perfection. The balance between adventure and comfort, strength and elegance, technology and art. It's not just a way to travel, it's a way to live. For those who dream of exploring the wild landscapes of America without ever leaving luxury behind, this motorhome is the answer. It's your home on 6 wheels, your fortress of innovation, and your passport to a limitless future. The Toyota Hikecruze 6x6 stands as a symbol of what's possible when imagination meets engineering. In 2026, the roads of America won't just be filled with cars. They'll be graced by rolling palaces like this, vehicles that blur the line between dream and reality. The Hikecruze is more than just a vehicle, it's the future of luxury travel.